I would like also to thank those who have expressed their support for candidacy in 2016. Dahil tatlong beses po hindi pa ako nakaupo, tatlo na ang nagsabi sa akin na dapat daw akong tatakbo at dapat daw ako maging kandidato for president in 2016. Kaya I always remember my father's advice, and that his advice has always been, especially in politics, but also in life, keep your options open. So since my father is somebody I greatly admire, I will keep my options open. And I hope that slowly, that very simple motto, very profound motto of service before self will no longer remain with the Rotary Club, but will remain in all of those of us who call ourselves public servants, and once again return to the true meaning of public service, and that is what your motto is: service before self.
Leadership starts with one very important concept, and that is vision. Hindi ang ibig sabihin na ambisyon na sinasabi pagka 30 anos na ako magiging milyonaryo ko. Hindi, that is not a vision, that is a goal. But to find a vision is to find an idea to work for, that I will make my country the best country in the world. My vision is for a better country for all of us, a better life for all our people. My vision is that the Filipinos and the Philippines will take our proper place in the community of nations. Hindi sa sikat o mayabang kung hindi kinikilala para sa ating mga katangian, for the qualities that we have. My vision is for every child goes to school. My vision is for every working man and woman to work, to have a job. My vision is that our country is safe, and that we feel free, that we are not under threat of war, that we are not under threat of violence, that we are not under threat of criminality. My vision is very simple. My vision is a perfect Philippines.
Walang imposible. Magyakap-yakap tayo upang ibalik ang kadakilaan ng ating republika. Wika ng lumang kong ama sa kanyang panahon, this nation can be great again. Pero may karugtong na po ito ngayon. Para sa inyong amang lingkod, muli tayong makakabangon tungo sa kadakilaan dahil ang mga Pilipino noon pa man ay siyang pinakadakilang dahil sa buong mundo.